Like geddytrey on stuff, whooshy gives a proper reaction.
And now for something completely different.
Railway. Oh my god, this was the one with the... So for those of you that didn't see on the Patreon, I posted my reaction to the trailers. This was the one with the whole vampire red lights thing, right? Let's go, Maichi. That seesaw bass.
Tunnel vision got my eyes on you, tracking every single line and every move. Heart is racing day and night for you. Don't hold back, enjoy the ride and let it loose. The sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning.
Nah! Why did he... They said hip-hop. The fucking album was called Hop. The album's called Hop, bruv. With the energy like you're about to slay 1,000 daughters. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? We're already talking about screaming. The sirens keep on screaming. That's a warning. I don't know if that's supposed to be the sirens and then he's saying to somebody, keep on screaming. That's a warning. Or is it that the sirens are screaming and that's a warning? I don't... The bass in this, though. This could have been on Utopia.
Tunnel vision got my eyes on you, tracking every single line and every move. Heart is racing day and night for you. Don't hold back, enjoy the ride and let it loose. The sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning. We're staring at the ticket, that's just one trip. Woo! No turning back, hold tight onto the railings. It's always for something saying, please.
Brev, more!
Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? Casualties, cause it's different.
God damn!
You and me, baby, I feel our heartbeats shaking, trembling, right, hold on tight.
Oi, the runs, Brev!
Train never sleeps.
Brev, I'm not gonna get to sleep, Brev. My neighbours are not gonna get to... Nobody's sleeping in this bitch. Christoph, I know you're watching this. What is wrong with you? What's actually wrong with you though, bro? Rough ride. Hold on. If you don't start saying pause after this... This is about to be a problem for my entire year. This is about to be a problem. You know, this is one you can sing to as well. Nah.
In every move, heart is racing day and night for you. Don't hold back, enjoy the ride and let it loose. The sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning. We're staring at the ticket, that's just one trip. No turning back, hold tight onto the railings. It's always for something saying, please. Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? Casualties.
You don't.
Cause it's different, it's just you and me. You and me, baby, I feel our heartbeats shaking, trembling.
The bass! need to leave a comment underneath this video. How long are you not going to be able to sleep for as a direct result of this record right here? Wow. I don't want to speak too soon. What am I talking about? It's Stray Kids. With every single album, I've said this. I've said this so often. With every single album, there is an evolution, you know? Sometimes it's an evolution in their sound. Sometimes it's an evolution in the vocality of certain members. This feels like there's been an evolution of all of them. And particularly in the production as well. There's been certain parts of this where it feels like there's been such intricacy. There's been such care that's been taken to some of these records. The bass in this, there's a sub bass in there that almost holds like a gentle undertone, where it does keep you on suspense, you know? Never mind the pause in instrumentation. Never mind the pauses before the crescendo just takes your entire head off. Bro, go back to Australia. Just go back to Australia. Sit on a beach, chill the fuck out, go. Come here, bruv. Come to the UK. Come chill. Come chill, bruv. We'll bun a bit of greenery. Nobody will ever know. Chill the fuck out, bro. Whatever's on your mind, I hope you got it off. I sincerely hope you got it off your mind, bruv. The production has already been insane. We're only Bang Chan's song into the solos as well. We've got so much more yet to come. I cannot wait. Christopher, calm down, please.